Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about reports and dashboard. In that, we cover introduction part of report and dashboard. If you want to learn more about report and dashboard, so please watch all video of this playlist. Let's let's start. Firstly, we can see about report. First point is report is a list of records related to object. Second point is in report data is displayed in row and column. After that, next point is we can filter, group and perform math on reports. We can also display reports graphically. And last point is every report store in folder and this folder can be public, hidden or shared. Now we can see quick overview of reports. In app launcher, right here reports and click on this link reports. Here we can see there are some option is available here reports recent created by me. After that private reports, public reports and all reports. Also here folder is available all folders. Here two folder is available. After that created by me and share with me. These two folder is shared with me. We can create reports in upcoming video. So let's start overview of dashboard. Our uh, next point is types of reports. There are four types of reports in Salesforce. First one is tabular, second one is summary, after that third one is matrix and last one is join. After that next point is dashboard. In dashboard data is displayed in visual. In simple word we can say dashboard is a graphical representation of reports. After that next point is we can place one reports in multiple dashboard components on a single dashboard. And last point is every dashboard store in a folder similar to reports. Now we can see quick overview of dashboard. In app launcher right here dashboard and click on that link dashboards. Now here dashboard is open. Here we can see some option is available similar to reports. First option is recently created dashboard created by me, dashboard created by me. Here I am created this dashboard on this date. After that next is private dashboard. After that next is all dashboard. And here folder is available all folders created by me and share with me. We can see or we can create a dashboard in upcoming video. So I move on next point. Next point is types of dashboard. First is line chart, second is vertical bar chart, and third one is horizontal bar charts, donut, pie, and funnel. These six are the types of dashboard in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.